So this is going to be my last video for this school year. So I hope you guys have a wonderful summer, and I can't wait to see you guys again in the fall. So we're going to be just doing a simple little summer project. So we're going to be making a drawing of a ice cream cone. So I made 4 scoops in my ice cream cone. It is completely up to you how many scoops you make. You can also change what your cone looks like. You can put different toppings in from what I did here. You could also, if you want, not even make it in a cone. If you wanted to make it in a bowl or something, that's fine too. Okay, or any sort of summery treat that you want to make. I know my kids love to get ice cream, so that is why I drew an ice cream cone. So I'm going to start from the top and work my way down here to make my cone today. First, I'm going to start with making my whipped cream. So to make my whipped cream, it's going to actually be kind of like you're making a poop emoji. So if you ever want to make one of those, you'll know how to make that as well. So I'm going to start towards the top of my paper because I want my whipped cream here and then my ice cream scoops and my cone to be down here. Okay, so I'm going to start up here, not to the tippy top, but a little bit lower here. And I'm going to make like I'm making a oval, but I'm not going to close the top. Okay. Now, after I do that, I'm going to then make a C shape here and then a backwards C over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to make a C here, and it's going in a little bit more, and then a backwards C there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect these, but I'm going to connect them kind of with a point at the top. Okay, so that can go ahead and be my whipped cream, and then I can put whatever I want on there. If I want to put some sprinkles, or if I want to put, this one has a cherry, which is just a circle with a line coming out of it, whatever you wanted to add. And I'm obviously just using black, but you can use colors, whatever you want to. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and start to make my ice cream scoops. So to make my ice cream scoops, just off the bottom of my whipped cream here, I'm going to make 2 curves coming out. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make curves all on the bottom, kind of like I'm making a cloud. So this first one's going to go out off the edge. Kind of looks like I'm making an ear. It's like a hat and a face with an ear. And then I'm going to go ahead and keep on making these curves. Curve and curve and curve all the way until I get back to that end. So that's my first ice cream scoop. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my next ice cream scoop. So right underneath here, I'm going to just repeat the steps. Make my 2 lines coming down. Gonna make my curve that sticks out. And then a few bumps going around here. You don't have to do the same amount as I'm doing. And back to the other end. This one I think I'm gonna only make 3 scoops on. So I'm gonna do the same thing again because I made these scoops a little bit bigger. Okay, curve out. Okay, and once my scoops are done, then I can go ahead and make my cone. A simple cone will be just 2 diagonal lines that meet to make kind of like a triangle shape. Then I can go ahead and make kind of like the waffle of the cone if I wanted to, just by making diagonal lines one way and then diagonal lines the other way. So there you go. I've got my ice cream cone. Have fun with it, guys. And again, like I said, have a great summer, and I hope to see you guys all in the fall. Bye.